Yeah. So the objective of this video is part 2 for just getting the flag with filter and removing error. So with that said, let's roll the intro. So subscribe to my channel and baby shark do 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 do, baby shark do 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 do, baby shark, mama shark do 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 do, mama shark do 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 do, chin 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 chin. And that's enough. That's the intro. And get ready your this browser, SSH over the browser, and have your notepad for saving the password, and open the terminal where you type SSH, which is secure shell hosting, which is a remotely we are accessing the server of this, and this is the host. So enter this and make sure it's 6 not 5, and let's hit the enter and grab the password for you got the for flag. Previous video we have solve this 5 and you will get the flag pass for 6. Hit enter, Control Shift V and enter. We will land to this page. And let's clear this page using clear command. Okay, my bad. CLEAR, clear command, clear, and let's find. Find command basically means as it is, it's finding. And from where we are finding, because they have tell somewhere in the server, because we don't know the directory, that's why we are finding everything from the directory from the server. So we are checking all the folder starting from root directory, and it will goes to all directory. Then we will mentioning user, and because it says user have his bandit 7, so we are just mentioning the user is bandit 7, and we will also mention the group. So group has bandit 6. You can see here group is bandit 6, and we also have to mention the size and with the parameter. So let's mention size with his 33, and we will mention it C because it's a ASCII character or human readable form. So with this much you can get the flag when you enter, but you have to manually find all that, right? Let me hit enter, and you have to manually find from this file, but we are not here for this. We want to do filter it. So now let's understand things, which is this will help us. This will help us for finding. So this is important. This, when we say 2, it means error. What error comes in the output, like the previous we have seen. Let me show you. These are all the errors. This is the error. This is the error. This all permission denies are error. Now let's come over here. This is something out. Out means this, it's printing, right? When we do cat and some file name, it will, when we do cat and some file name, what it does, it gives us context, what the content this file have. It just show the output, like if it's have this file have some contents. Hello, hi, I am something content name. This, when we hit enter, we get this, and what we getting is the text which we are seeing is std. This doesn't matter. Std in out, sorry, my bad, out 1. We are getting the output. When we type, right, in the notepad, right? In the notepad, when we type, what happening? It happening std in, and the number for this is 0. Okay, when we type or give input, right, this will be clear. When we type or give input, then it's std in. When we want what we type and get this print, okay, in over here, okay, that's the std out, and it's represent with 1, and this represent the in represent with 0. So that's all. And if the error comes, it's std error, this represent with 2. So that's the. Now let's, oh, it's starting lagging, I have to finish it quickly. Okay, so before that, now we understand this, what is std 0 in, means we are typing like this, and std 1 is basically when we type cat and we got print what the content of the file, okay, and std er when we get some errors, right? When we press something wrong, we get errors, so like that, or any other errors. So now let's understand what is pipe. Okay, but let we use the command, this one. Okay, now here we will say to and redirect this to slash. We can just say there is no, I think, and needed. Yeah, and is, you know, right, when we use and, it's run in the background. This and run whatever the error output. When we get error, this is error, 2 is error, right? 2 is error. So the error will be and run in the background. This and means background terminal. It will ghost this symbol is redirect symbol. Okay, it will send it redirected, send it to dev/null, this folder. Okay, this is a folder, null folder, empty folder, just like a text. Okay, this will send into the text all the errors. Let's hit enter, and let's set this method also. Okay, let's save this method, copy and save this to our Bandit passwords and hit enter. When we hit enter, you can see the pass must be preceded with expression 2. So I have to fix now. Let's see, maybe it's there will be not space, I guess. And if we enter here, okay, let's remove the n and see. Yep, we have to remove the n. Okay, over here. And now once you get this, you can just copy it and copy this and cat this and cat this and press enter, and you will get the answer. And you can copy from here and save this. Okay, this one is not correct, so this one is the correct. Okay, one more way to do it, the same thing with the pipe command and grep, using grep. Okay, so we will do the same till here we will do the same. Now we will do and, so the output, and it will go to the background, then one will be what do, tell me what is one. One is input when we type in the editor, or it's output, it shows the text. Tell me what is one. If you choose this, voila, you get the concept, man. If you choose the output, no problem, we will get. Now you know that this is for typing, okay. And the errors, this is error, right? Error will type on, and this is will go to second terminal in the background, okay. And there this error will be written with 1, okay, in the terminal, not here. In this terminal it will not run, okay. And then what we can do, let's run this much and see what happen, okay. The path must proceed with expression 2, okay. We have not redirected, right? So we have to redirect to redirection symbol, like this angular symbol, right? So let's hit enter and see. Permission denied. Okay, we have to little bit do experiment something to get this. Okay, so whatever this has sent, right, this sent to the one in the background, like new tab, like this terminal. Whatever the errors or something, it goes to this terminal, okay. I'm just explaining, it will not show up, okay. Then we will use pipe command, okay. What is pipe command? This single line which is above the enter button. If you press shift and the one, it will give you pipe command. So what does this do? Okay, let's understand over here. So you have command, okay, and here this is pipe, okay, and this is command 2. Command means we use cat ls like that, okay. And here another file cat, like make dir, okay, make directory, like this. So this file, okay, this is a file. What output, once you do cat and any file, cat with any file name, this file contain whatever the text goes to this as a file, okay, goes to this, and this file outputs to attach with this command, okay. Then it will become new file combining with this new command. That's the working of the file pipe, okay. And let's see practical more, so you will get it. Pipe, and here we will use grep command. I think what I'm doing wrong is it should be like this, and then why? Because we have to run this on the background. Let's try to, man, I don't want to cancel that. 2 wait 1 and redirect 2. We saying the error, let me just take it in upper, okay. So the error redirects to background and write it, not here, okay. So let me clear this and test if this work. Yeah, it's working. We want this, okay. Now here now here, so this is correct. Now here we want pipe, because all the things are coming, right? And we have to grab one thing, we have to grab the non-error one, right? So grab, and what to grab, we have to grab password, permission denied, okay, because they are error. Permission, okay. If you grab this and hit enter, you will see the red is sparkling, right? So all the permissions are error, right? So I don't want this permission. What I mean is I want the password, the flag, not this permission. Now what will I do? I will just say don't give me permissions, this permission denied errors. I will do the opposite of it, okay? If we there is a way to do this, is by using -v, which will inverse. This will not, now this will not give the permission, this will give whatever except permission. So if I hit enter, and you will see now we are not getting permission, right? And this is our password, and you can cat it and paste it, and then you will get the password, okay? So let me save this method too, and let's do the opposite, because you can see all these have a pattern find, right? So you can also do this like this. Instead of telling permission, first we grab find, okay? Find, and it will list all the find. Now you can see, okay? But we don't want find, right? Because you see in the password there is no find. So we will do -v, which is inverse of this find, means everything except find. We don't want find, okay? The opposite. And when we press enter, you will get the password, okay? This is actually good, right? And we will also save this method, and that's the method. Let me cat it, and the CDF is over. And thanks for watching, and save this. Yes, this is very important. Make sure you save this. So pass for level 7 is this, and save. And with that said, please subscribe the channel and support me by liking it and subscribing it. And I hope this video will help you, and do the practice. And please never assume yourself as someone who can't do it. You can do it. Maybe it take times, maybe it will be hard, but you can do it, and that's what makes you someone better than 90% of that people. Just keep showing up and stay consistent, even just 1%. So thank you, bye bye, and take care.